Did you move to somewhere and you want to change your national address or delete it? Come closer. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove or add new national address on SPL app. Let's get started. Firstly, open your SPL app. Once you log in on it, tap on Memo and now tap on National Address. And to delete your old account, tap this three icon and click on Delete. I'm not ready to delete my account now, so if you want to delete it, tap on Confirm and receive OTP to confirm. To add new account, tap on Add New Address and give app permission to access to your location. And now scroll down and tap on this location icon, and your address will automatically appear on your screen. Just point your hand on your exactly location and your national address will appear on your screen like this. Scroll down to complete your, and the next thing to do is to complete building details. Now type of property, period of staying, for example for my own is temporary, and upload your home image or your street image. And now scroll down to continue. Don't forget to choose accommodation type. Choose your accommodation type and complete your building details like your floor. Once you're done, scroll down and tap on next. Now check your all information if it's correct. Once it's correct, agree the terms and conditions, tap on next. You will receive a OTP. Once you receive it, start tapping it. Once you tap in it and click on confirm. Now your second national address has registered successfully. Just tap on manage addresses and see your all addresses like this if you don't delete your first one. It's easy, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are watching on TikTok or Facebook, drop a follow for more Saudi video. Thank you.